Shore temperatures are in the low 80s there, and we've got some 70s holding on back north and west. There's the heat index that puts us just a few degrees above the actual temperature readings. Through the afternoon, though, the feels like we'll be pushing the upper 90s because of the heat headed our way. From Sunday into Monday, these are the alerts that I want to tell you about. In red, it's a heat advisory, an excessive heat watch actually that's in like a beige. Is that a beige? A peach? It's heat advisory in the lighter color. Excessive heat watch in red. And then we've got the bright pink for the excessive heat warning. And this is going to take us right through Monday. So we've got heat to deal with all weekend long. No storms to cool us down. And right now we've got a land breeze, the wind coming out of the northwest. It'll turn and have a southerly component to it a little bit later this afternoon. And by the end of the weekend, our feels like temperature will be in the triple digits. The real brunt of the heat coming from Philadelphia all the way through central New Jersey, approaching New York, where it could feel like 105 tomorrow afternoon. As far as the futurecast goes, we can let this one roll because all we see is a few high clouds confirming that we actually have data on the map because there are no storms to contend with and no major weather makers to slow down the pattern that's already in place, which is hazy, hot, and humid. Maybe by the time we get into Wednesday for the 4th of July, we could potentially have some fireworks created by Mother Nature, but we'll wait and see how that pans out. Northwesterly winds turning into southerly winds. They're light all day long, waves 2 to 3 feet. So if you're doing some boating, note water temperature is starting to warm up pretty nicely, and some of the buoys are up to 70 degrees. But at the beaches, there is a moderate rip current risk, and you need to check in with your lifeguards. For the Catskills, low 90s today. Jersey Shore, low 90s. The Hamptons could be a few degrees cooler, so that could be a place to get away from the hottest of the heat that we've got around. Tomorrow will be really the peak of this heat, but it doesn't really taper off completely for the entire week. So while we'll hit 98 tomorrow and feel like the triple digits, look at the week ahead in the AccuWeather 7-day. We've hot weather, not a lot of chances for storms. We can make it back to 92 on Tuesday, but then on Wednesday, we're hovering right around the 90-degree mark, and there's a possibility of showers and thunderstorms. Hopefully, we can get those out of the way before the big fireworks shows and displays in the evening hours. But we hold on to 90 right through the stretch.
Right through. All right.
Beautiful.
Back to you.
Thank you so much,
Love
Amy.
it. The Mets are in Miami without their pitcher, Jacob deGrom.
Plus, all eyes on Yankee Stadium as the Yanks and the Sox battle for first place.